Hi, Jan here for SOS Well Services. We understand that you have options for your workover, roustabout, swabbing, pumping, or pipeline projects. And we appreciate the opportunity to communicate how SOS Well Services sets itself apart from the competition. There are 4 areas where we strive to excel no matter the work we perform: quality oil field services, operational excellence, commitment to the environment, and a focus on safety. SOS Well Services provides multiple quality oil field services in the western United States, including workover rigs, swab rigs, roustabout, and technical consulting. From the Green River Basin to the DJ Basin, we have an in-depth understanding of the specific challenges in the Wyoming, Nebraska, and Rocky Mountain oil and gas fields. With over 150 years of combined experience, the current senior management team of SOS Well Services provides unmatched operational excellence in the energy industry. Through third-party compliance, external training, certification, and safety initiatives, we strive for continual improvement. Good business and protecting our environment go hand in hand. We make our living from the land, and we strive to minimize the impact for this generation and generations to come. Our safe, quality, high-performance operation results in excellence, excellence in following environmental policy, and excellence in stewardship. We're proud of our safety record, but we don't take it for granted. The health and welfare and safety of our employees are an integral parts of every decision we make and every job we operate. We back up our commitment to safety with extensive training, rigorous documentation, experienced supervision, and well-maintained equipment. SOS Well Services is also an active member in both IS Networld and PEC Premier. We thank you for your time and look forward to working with you. If you have any questions or need more information, use the contact form on our website or give us a call at 307-386-2616. For our Wyoming office or in Nebraska at 308-235-8818.